Hey guys, welcome to Nanda's Crafts. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how I make the ruffle that goes on top of the doll's body before you glue the doll's head. To make the ruffle, you're going to need a long piece of fabric. Mine is already folded and ironed. And this size is 2 inches and it's about 35 inches long. And I'm going to sew the open edges by hand. And now we'll keep sewing this until I have the right size that I want to put it on my doll. As you can see, it covers the whole body of the doll on top. That's how you want your ruffle to be. All right, so I am going to continue to sewing this, and now we'll be right back. All right, I have the right size that I wanna, so I'm going to cut it right here. I'll finish sewing. Join the ends together. Make sure it's tight and secure. Now I'm going to sew the ends together. You can sew this in any way that you want, or you can just take it on a sewing machine and finish it up. Now you just have to cut these pieces that is coming out. And it's done. The ruffles for your dolls is complete. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.